Hello and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For this video, we have come to the Walt Disney World Dolphin Resort here in Orlando, Florida. We've got ourselves a room for the next couple of nights. Got a bargain of a deal. Got this room for about half the price of what it is normally. So we're just going to give a short room tour of the room and the facilities. So let's come along and check it out. The Dolphin is a huge resort hotel with over 1,500 rooms. They have at least 4 different restaurants. A bowling alley and arcade. There's a children's area called Camp Dolphin. There's the usual fitness center and laundry room. There's a grocery store, a handful of retail outlets, a spa, and so much more.
Eighth floor.
Fortunately, the carpet in the hallway could be replaced. You can see how it's been worn down. And I am on the east wing. The doors. So we just take the card and you hold it up to the door and then unlocks it. And here is my room. Got a closet here we'll take a look at in just a little bit here. A little food preparation table with a coffee maker, a couple bottles of water, there's the bathroom, towels, body lotion, nice bright mirror. Oh, look, there's a mirror on the other side. You got an infinity effect. Hello, 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 hello. Toilet is clean, that's good to see. Tub is nice and clean. Of course, the TV was on when I came in. It's set to the in-hotel Disney network. Have 2 queen beds. Glad to see the Gideon still around. Little mini fridge. Oh, there's water inside there too. That's nice. Little table. Used as a work area. Chair. Now, I don't have a room with a view. So I have a room of the back of the hotel area and parking lot. That's okay. It's quite all right. Don't need a room with the view for myself. Very nice. And for the deal I got for this room, it could not go wrong. Okay. Alright, let's take a look inside the closet area. Got a nice big shelf. Of course, the iron hangers, ironing board. Inside the closet, we have a wall safe. That's kind of nice. Very nice looking. There's just 1 or 2 of you stand. Nice space for just 1 or 2 people. Now, I kind of like the pattern of the carpet in here. It's made to look like waves, sort of. Because that's what it brings to mind to me is waves and water.
Here is the pool area. And as a bonus, anyone staying at the Dolphin Hotel can visit and partake in the amenities at the Dolphin's sister resort, the Swan.
Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. If you've liked this video, hit that like button. If you disliked, hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content and ring that bell for email notifications. And if there's someplace that you would like to see me visit, or you have a suggestion about some future video you'd like to see me do, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this adventure, or any of the adventures in TV land, you can help support this channel by going to Buy Me a Coffee or Patreon, or even here on YouTube, and becoming a member or making a donation. Thank you for watching. Until next time, that's a wrap.